With the free Mercedes-Benz COMAND Touch App, the customer can control vehicle functions conveniently via his tablet. First, connect the tablet to the vehicle Wi-Fi. Ensure that the Wi-Fi is activated in the vehicle. To do this, open the system settings in Command. Under the Connectivity tab, check whether the check mark is set. Go to the Command Touch menu. Now select Authorize New Device. Then Connect New Device. You'll now see the network name and the associated security code. Open the Settings menu on the tablet. Under the Wi-Fi tab, you can select the network name specified by command. Then enter the security code. Then follow the instructions in the command display. Now open the COMAND Touch app on your tablet. In Command, the iPad connection request appears. Accept it and the system displays a security code. Enter this security code in the tablet. The tablet is now connected to the Wi-Fi in the vehicle. You can now control various vehicle functions via the app. Even from the back seat. The basic holder and the universal mount for tablets from the Travel & Style equipment provides for more comfort. The tablet is securely attached and can be operated comfortably. For example, under Vehicle, you can control the ambient lighting. You can select the function's color selection and light intensity. In the Media menu, the customer can control the music playback. Via the remote control menu, even the head unit can be controlled by the app. With this, for example, you can access the navigation menu directly via the touch button bar, or change the ventilation settings in the rear.